Live on location at the Hoshang Pearl launch right here in the heart of Karachi, and it's all about luxury living today. I'm sitting with Mr. Amman of Amman Capital and Arshad Saab all the way from California. Yay! All right, so Amman Saab, my first question has to be, what's your first impression of the Pearl?
This place?
Of the Pearl, yes. The building, the place, the apartment.
I think it's a first of all, it's a great location. You are in the heart of things, yet you're not on the main road itself, so a little inside. I'm a little bit concerned about the structure coming up with the next to Karachi Club, because one doesn't know how high they will be. I keep getting different responses कि वो 7 floor होगा, को बोले 10 floor होगा. But at the end of the day, they really have the right to decide what they want to do. So, but the finishing of the project is excellent. A lot of the features that I've seen are really good, truly good.
Like what? What are the ones that really stand out?
वो जो आपने जो वो दिया ना facade दिया है and the windows, the glass and everything.
Yeah.
That I think really stands out.
Okay. And I hear there's a lot of talk about this centrally air conditioned part, जो कि Karachi में buildings में नहीं होती. You in America must be used to it, sir.
Yes, sir. It's a temperature controlled environment.
Yeah. So
Well,
यहाँ पे
it's
centrally air conditioned building होना मतलब.
ना नहीं वो तो कमाल की बात है. But I think it's a very, very interesting feature कि no dripping ACs, no ugly ACs sticking out of windows.
Yeah.
So that's great. That's very
Thank
good.
God. It's a start.
And thank you for playing Hotel California. Feel like getting on.
ये वैसे हम क्या ही कह सकते हैं कि कैलिफोर्निया से हमारे मेहमान आए हुए हैं और पीछे मौसीकी में होटल कैलिफोर्निया बज रहा है. Well, Aman Saab, if there's a message that you want to give out to Paragon Constructions and the chairman of Paragon Construction, Mr. Aftab Siddiqui, then the camera is all yours.
देखें, I am a banker by profession, albeit that I am retired. I think it's a very important to let the message go out to the Pakistanis कि वो जो gold ढूंढने गए थे दुबई में, वो अब gold dust हो गया है. The gold is right here, and they have to be coming here. What I suggest and request that you look at some of the financial models in Dubai and build up a yield curve so that people can benefit, because unless you give the early investors an incentive to invest, they are the ones who are going to give the surge to the property. A lot of times, because I'm from the financial markets, a lot of people say that speculation is not good. Believe me, speculation is excellent for the property, because not everybody is buying to stay in the property. So you want to invest, make some money, flip, move on to the next one. And ultimately, obviously, when the building is complete, the residents who want to live there are going to live,
I get that.
right? But in order for you to attract the financial capital in Pakistan, we have a model which worked so well in Dubai. Why don't we just do that? And the question is, I always felt that Dubai never really had the long-term potential because it's not does not have the culture, it does not have a soul. It doesn't have soul. Karachi, despite all its problems, has a soul which is nowhere else in Pakistan. I just hope that the government or the ruling parties here realize that without Karachi, we really don't have a country. And with Karachi, we have more than just a country. So I wish you the best. I hope your project is a roaring success. And I would appeal to other investors to come in, be the early investors, invest in the project, give a boost and encouragement so that more and more such projects take on. But in all of this thing, my request to you is please don't look at the upper strata of the population. There's a huge middle class which don't have decent housing. We have to look after those folks. We have
reasonably
to
priced housing projects.
So it's not a
By the way, speaking of reasonably priced housing projects, Paragon has come up with Paragon Towers, which, by the way, is exactly for that target market.
I like the word reasonably priced as opposed to affordable pricing. Are they interchangeable? Or
I think it's almost synonymous, sir. Okay. It's almost synonymous. So I think before we leave, I'm just going to have both of you say it together, Hoshang Pearl.
Hoshang Pearl, go for it.
Lovely.
Thank you.